building a culture for accountability is not something that's easily put in 3 bullet points. This is really soft skills and processes put together. So a lot of this one is more of a mind state for the leader to say, where can I button things up? Where can I build my workflows and my processes and my dashboards and all of these things so that my team and individuals on my team aren't going to be able to create this he said, she said. And I feel like as I describe this, it's like, oh, is making it sound like team members are out to game the system or fool you. But sometimes people do this without even knowing it, because being accountable can be difficult. It can be hard. I've hired people where they were maybe not the right fit for the job, and so then accountability becomes scary. As you're building systems, as you're building processes, as you're refining all the things that we talked about in this presentation so far, you're going to possibly hear people get defensive. Oh, that's double work. I'm doing so much work. Now I've got to fill this out. Now I've got to do this. Now I've got to do this. The reality is the companies that are scaling, the companies that are big, they already have all that in place. They have to have accountability. They are running on KPIs. They have all of these things in place. And you don't have to go that far as a small or medium-sized business, but watch out for this type of thing happening, because it's a red flag. It's okay, if you want a company culture where everything stays above board and everybody can trust everybody. And that's kind of my last point here, is when you do build a culture of accountability, that's where trust comes in. So with my previous business, we built the Ask the Knowledge Base first. We built super strong accountability, but not just for the team, and the leaders got to do whatever they want. The leadership team and the executive team were just as accountable to the rest of the team as the rest of the team was accountable to the executive and leadership team. And that was the most important thing to create trust. When new people came on board, they knew, and everybody existing on the team knew how he worked. If I delegated it to Stacy, I knew Stacy was going to get it done. She was accountable. If I delegated it to Bo, I knew Bo was going to get it done. He was accountable. And vice versa. If they asked something of me, or if they asked something of Elaine, they knew we would be able to get it done because we were accountable to them. Setting all that up, it gives you that trust. It makes running a business so much easier. It reduces that headache level. It eliminates the BS. It's a huge topic, really fun to discuss and get into details on. But hopefully these bullets will give some ideas on, is it worth going this? In my book, 100%. I want to run every team with trust and accountability and minimize all the BS and drama that you would have to deal with when you get into team dynamics.